Hello, my name is Quentin, and you're watching Quentin at Home. And today, I will be teaching you the mastery of Ora-Gonggi. So, I just got a random notebook. You can see that this is, Daisy. This is what I wrote my recent diss track to Matthew in, and we're just gonna turn the page, and you're gonna get. It doesn't matter what paper you use. You can use almost like any piece of paper. You're just gonna rip a piece of paper out. And the first step of Ora-Gonggi is what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to rip 5 pieces of like small pieces. So like you know this is a pretty good piece to use as an example, and you're just gonna do that 5 times. And you will not be using all of your piece of paper. So uh, if you want to use it as scratch paper later, or if you want to use it for I don't know, writing a short freestyle diss track, you do you. So, some of these are different sizes, but as long as they're like roughly around the same size, it should be fine. So now, what you're gonna do is, here's your first thing. You're gonna fold it. You're gonna fold it, then you're gonna fold it again, and then you're gonna crumble it up into a ball. And make sure you do this very well. You want it to be a good ball that you can, grab. And then you're going to do this again with the other ones. Sorry, I want to make sure you can see it. But, yeah, here is, I got my camera's being a little weird. It's being a little irritating, just like my sister. Hopefully your camera isn't, you don't gotta film when you do. Ora-Gonggi, guard darn it. Okay, so when your camera's not working, you put a battery behind it. And now I gotta move everything closer to the side. So we got our 2, and we're working on our 3rd now. And no, the Gonki is actually a lot smaller than it looks like on the camera. Also, this video is not sponsored by Coca-Cola, by the way, in case y'all wanted to comment. No, it's not sponsored by Coca-Cola. So then you rip up then you fold your final piece of paper. Fold your final piece of paper, and then boom, you have Ora-Gonggi, which now you can play Gonggi while you're waiting for your actual Gonggi to come. That's been rescheduled like 7 times, and you don't even know. Oh crap! The battery kind of went flying, and you don't know if you're gonna get your Gonggi. So that's how you do Ora-Gonggi. So, yes, you're welcome. Now you can make Ora-Gonggi at home with no problem whatsoever. Thank you for watching. Ora-Gonggi, peace out.